Hey there! Welcome back to the Her Decorating Business channel, where we dive into all things interior design and decorating to help you create spaces you love coming home to. I'm Heidi, the owner of Her Decorating Business, the course that teaches creative women how to start their own interior decorating businesses. Today we're tackling a topic that many of us can relate to: decorating mistakes. We've all been there, a little too much of this, not enough of that, but fear not. In this video, I'll share some common decorating pitfalls and, more importantly, how to avoid them. So grab a cozy blanket, your favorite drink, and let's jump right in. First up, the classic mistake of overcrowding. It's easy to get carried away with furniture and decor, but remember, less is often more. To avoid this, start by decluttering your space and only keeping items that serve a purpose or bring you joy. Embrace the beauty of negative space for a more airy and inviting feel. By creating breathing room around your furniture and decor, you can give each piece the attention it deserves and prevent your space from feeling cramped. Next on our list is ignoring scale and proportion. Have you ever brought home a piece of furniture that looked perfect in the store but seemed out of place in your space? It happens to the best of us. To avoid this, always consider the scale of your furniture in relation to the room and the other pieces. Mixing a variety of sizes and shapes can add visual interest and balance your space. Remember, it's all about creating harmony and flow. Another common mistake is forgetting to infuse your personality into the decor. The home should be a reflection of who you are and what you love. To avoid this, sprinkle in personal touches like family photos, souvenirs from your travels, or DIY creations. These unique elements not only make your space feel more inviting, but also tell a story and make it truly yours. Last but certainly not least, let's shed some light on poor lighting choices. Lighting can make or break a room, so it's essential to get it right. Avoid harsh overhead lighting and instead opt for a mix of ambient task and accent lighting to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Don't forget to let natural light shine in whenever possible, and use dimmers to adjust the mood throughout the day. And there you have it, my fellow decorators, some common decorating mistakes and how to steer clear of them. Remember, decorating is all about creativity, expression, and making your space a place you love to be in. Some professionals may not talk about it, but we all make mistakes. When I started my interior decorating business back in 2014, I made plenty of them. It's the reason why I decided to create Her Decorating Business. It's the course that teaches creative women how to start their own interior decorating businesses by showing them step by step what to do and the mistakes to avoid. If you are looking for a career change and you love interiors and would love to learn how to start your own business from someone who has done it themselves, see the link below to find out more. Sign up and start your new dream business. If you enjoyed today's videos, give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe for more decorating tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating!